הכי גרוע, לאכזב את האבא. לאכזב אותו.
Welcome back to The Shtick, and we have as a special guest this week, and we have this annual GIF event. And to tell us about is Lindy Tamir.
Hi, Henry.
Hi.
Here we are. My turn to talk to you this year.
It is, yeah. Eddie's the usual victim that we have here comes on, but you've been on once before.
Yep. And I also, together with Eddie and our team, watch 300 films to get to 68 films. So I've seen them all also. So, yeah.
What a mammoth effort.
Yeah.
It really is a marathon for you guys every year.
Yeah.
And you go to film festivals as well?
Yep, we go to film festivals, we get sent secret links to watch the films. And I'm particularly excited today because I just came from the Classic, and there was, after the Yontifs, many people coming in to start buying their tickets. I had time over the days to read this. But they're not buying 2, 3, 4 films. They're buying 27 films and 30 films for themselves, and then maybe 27 films for themselves and a 10 extra to bring along their partner to see some of the films. They really know now that they trust the program and they're going for it.
It's called the Jewish International Film Festival, and it really is like a compendium of the best films.
Yeah.
After all those films you've seen, you pick the best.
Yeah, because it's half Jewish from around the world. It's half of the best Israeli films. But then we go and pick up little biography gems, like a film on Jerry Lewis this year, or a film on Arthur Miller, brand new films on these people who are Jewish, and it might not be
icons.
Yeah, so they're Jewish, they're in our festival, and they're great. We want them.
And you've picked some themes. We just saw a little clip then of the Mishpacha theme.
Yeah.
And then you've got the Fresh theme.
Yeah.
And we're just going to show you that in a moment, because we love, I mean, it's such an integral part of our culture, is the food.
Yeah.
So right now we're just going to flash into a bit of Fresh. We'll be
eat.
right back.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
All right, so little yeast dough, little cheese. I could eat this every morning.
Oh, I'm plutzing from
Let's
that.
get serious now.
I'm plutzing.
You won't be laughing
That's
now.
when you're full. Now, the opening film is called
Denal. We're very excited and very proud to be launching Denal in Australia. It's based on the true story of
Deborah Lipstadt,
who took on David Irving, but Rachel Weisz stars as Deborah, and Timothy Spaulding stars brilliantly as David Irving, and it's the real court case of her taking on the Holocaust denier. She had to prove, the defence.
And this is a new film?
New film, launching at our festival for Australia. Yeah.
You
very,
always
very
manage
hot.
to pick the best.
Yeah.
And the other theme you've got also is Beshert, where people come together and they're hoping, well, single people, because Beshert means, what is it, finding your other half.
Yeah.
It's
your match.
matchmaking.
Yeah. Well, maybe an interesting film that leads into is we've got a film called Sandstorm, and it just last week won the Academy Awards of Israel, which means it's the entry for Israel for the Oscars.
Yes.
I feel that it could get all the way to be a foreign film nomination.
And it's a Bedouin film, or
It's
about
a Bedouin
Bedouins.
polygamy story. The girl wishes she could be with her Basheret.
Yeah.
And meanwhile, the mother is dealing with the husband taking on a new wife, a second wife. So, and it's all set in Israel, but it's a Bedouin story, and it's brilliant. Yeah, and it's an art house darling of next year. Yeah.
And the closing film you've got, which I think is an amazing theme, it's about laughter in the Holocaust.
I've got a really big soft spot for this film. It just makes me cry, some of the scenes in it, and laugh, because what can you laugh at in the Holocaust? What can Joan Rivers get away with or not get away with? Mel Brooks, Hogan's Heroes, Seinfeld, everybody, you know, like... But I love there's a Holocaust survivor running through the film who's also commentating on what she thinks about some of the humour. And she talks about her own experience with Mengele in the concentration camps. And she said that at the time she didn't think it was funny, but 20 years later she could not stop laughing. Mengele was doing terrible, you know, experiments on her. And at one point he looks at her throat and he says, "Oh, your tonsils don't look good. You should get that seen to when you get out of here." And she said at the time she was petrified, scared, but many years later she was crying, laughing about that, you know, that ridiculousness. So humour and the Holocaust, with years and time passing, what can you do? Yeah. And it's our closing film. It's
my father was a Holocaust survivor as well, and I just got to mention this because his whole shtick was telling jokes.
Yeah.
And he always said, without a sense of humour, I would not be here.
Yeah. Well, Mel Brooks is magnificent in this, what he says, his intelligence and his humour, and then the snippets from different, you know, productions and,
And it's called The Last Laugh.
Yeah, The Last Laugh, the last film at GIF.
It's fantastic. Well, it's been really great to have you in the studio telling us a bit about this, because this has to happen every year as one of our great cultural events. And if you get to the classic, by the way, we haven't mentioned all the cinemas where it's playing. Yeah,
it's playing in Australia and New Zealand. We've put it into the Lido cinemas in Melbourne also. Sydney's always been Event Cinemas Bondi, but we're going to the North Shore, to the Cremorne, to the Orpheum. We're going new to Canberra. And as usual, we're going to Brisbane, Auckland and Perth. And Perth, we've extended the program. We're feeling that it's really going to take off in Perth this year.
Oh, that is so good to hear. I wish you a lot of luck, and it's been a pleasure to have you on the shtick again.
It's so much fun. It's so easy with you.
Yeah, I know. Well, we're old friends. We are mishpucha, really, like in a sense, not through blood, but just through connection. It's really...
Yeah. Well, you have to come over and have a fress at us soon.
Yeah, I'm coming to there's always great wine and food at the Classic.
Oh, yeah, we're going to have GIF toasties. So we're going to be serving Israeli toasties at our candy bar specially, and a GIF choc top. Look out for it.
Well, I'll be at the opening as usual. Have you got anyone performing at the opening, or is that's
it's still to be revealed, but we'll have music, we'll have food,
lots of pickles.
And I'm hoping Eddie will sing, as he usually does in the foyer before.
Yeah. Well, we're looking
we'll have to wind him up. Yeah.
Thank you. I've got to wind you up.
Okay, wind me up.
You've got to get going.
Yeah.
I've got to go.
Henry.
We wish you all shalom and more great culture.
Shana Tova.
Because that's what we're full of.
Yeah. Thanks.
Bye.